Hey, what's good, YouTube? It be your boy, KJ in that bit. Back in again with another video, man. But look, today on this video, man, it's gonna be a little different, man. Like, I'm unboxing this black charcoal toothpaste, you know what I'm saying? Bow. Hello. This black charcoal toothpaste, it says Epic Whitening fluoride-free toothpaste, noticeably whiter teeth, removes plaque, freshening breath, tastes awesome, no peroxide, no dyes, no artificial sweeteners, no S, whatever that means, man. But look, if you're new to that channel, like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna open it. We're getting ready to open it up right now. If you're watching this, go brush your teeth. Cause get up, you watching this video, and you ain't even brush. I can smell your breath. But look.
I got this, I gotta open that. Lift up here. Okay. Smells pretty decent, so here we go. Look at that. Feel weird. Look.
I can see a difference already. It's pretty good. I give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna continue to use it, man. But look, if you like this, man, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, man. I got this from Walmart for like $3.97, man. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It be your boy KJ in it, man. And I'm out there.